Hey, Don Copeland here, and we're going to do something really cool today that I don't think we have done with any of the DTF, the 24H4 or the H2. We're going to do an actual job. As you know, if you watch any of our videos in the past, a lot of times we help out folks who work here at the company with stuff they need done, and so we're going to turn this into a video, all right? I know it's not for my daughter's wedding this time. It's actually for one of the girls that works with us. Her son is the lead in a play. It's his senior year, and she wanted to get shirts for everybody that's in the play. And little did she know what she was getting herself into. 54 shirts we need to do. They range through 6 different sizes. We're actually going to do 3 different size sets of graphics. The extra smalls and smalls, we're going to do one size. The mediums and larges, we're going to do another size. And the extra large and double extra larges, we're going to do another size graphic. She actually had this job quoted by a major online garment production company, whose name will remain anonymous. And she was quoted $1,200 to do these 54 shirts, 2-sided, and so we wanted to see what it would cost us to do it and how long it would take to do it here. And so she's ordered the shirts in. She got the shirts off of Coleman & Company through their Sanmar product, and she ordered the 54 shirts in. The shirts were about $5 a piece. I've already processed the artwork, and the artwork, with us doing a couple extras to do some other snapshots and things with, and to have a little bit of overage in case we have a screw up on something. We came to about $66 worth of ink, powder, and media, which is about $1.20, $1.22 per. So let's say conservatively, we got $6.50 into each one of the shirts times 54. Wow, I got to do that math in my head. Let's say it's $350, and she would have paid $1,200 without shipping. All right, so we're looking at that gap there is $850, and I think you're going to flip out when you see how long it takes to print it. We're printing, if we did the math right, we're doing 705 inches, and I'll have to look at my calculator and see what that number came to. But the number was around 59 feet, if I'm not mistaken. 705 inches divided by 12. Yeah, 58 3/4 feet, 59 feet of printing. So theoretically, this should take us about 25 minutes total to print. And then it's a 2-position, 2-side print. Say it's another minute to do both sides of the shirt, which I think is conservative, with a 10-second pre-press, hot peel, second press, 5 seconds. Easily, you're going to do 1 a minute for both sides. So you've got another hour there. So this is literally a job that you could do in under 2 hours, and you're looking at making well over $800 on the job. So let's get it printing. In under 25 minutes, including time to do the initial setup there. We're going to have about another 6 minutes until it's all the way through the dryer. But if you do that math, this is roughly 60 shirts because I did a bunch of overage. That'd be 60 shirts in 25 minutes, which is going to translate out in the area of about 145, 150 linear feet. Because if I remember correctly, we did 60 feet for this entire job. So you're going to multiply that out. It's going to come out at 50 minutes, be 120. So you're going to just be under 150 linear feet per hour on this job. This is the print that we did for the extra large and 2XLs. Lay that here on the back. There we go. Get it squared up as best as possible. Press it. About 300 degrees, 300, 305 for 10 seconds at heavy pressure. We're going to do a hot peel. Take a piece of parchment, put it back over it. And we're going to do a 5-second, 6-second or so. Turn the shirt over. Put our transfer on the front. Hot peel that. One more time with our parchment. Voila. You have. I don't know about you guys, but I'm all shook up about this. Pretty good looking print. Right there on the front. All the names on the back. Some people would try to do this with vinyl. I just cringe thinking about weeding all of that. So it's a good way to make money with your DTF printer. This is just one job. Remember, I did about 60 linear feet of media, did the math on it. The actual print time from the time it started printing until it was done printing was right under 25 minutes, which translates to about 145 linear feet per hour. We just did the one job, so by the time it came out of the back of the dryer, it's right at a half an hour to do 60 linear feet, which was 54 shirts, two-sided, all right? So you did 54 shirts, two-sided, that's 108 prints, and we did them in under a half an hour completed. If I would have kept running, obviously the time would have gotten better because the delay time at the end and the startup, you only do those once. So it would have been more like, we probably would have done another, in the second half hour, we'd have probably done an extra 10 to 12 shirts. So great way to make money. It's a $1,200 job online. The shirts that the girl works with us is going to be putting these on, cost her $5 a piece on Coleman & Company. They're a Sanmar product. The transfers, total cost into the transfers was right under $66, and we did about an extra 4 or 5 for promo pictures and things like that. So you've got $66, let's say, worth of media and powder and glue and the inks, and then you had, we had 54 shirts at $5 a piece, be about $270. So the whole job was about less than $350, about $330, $870 profit. And even if you figure in the press time on the 54 shirts, you're under an hour. So $870 profit in 1 hour using the machine. Only using the machine for 25 minutes of that, by the way. The rest of the time was actually cutting up and transferring onto the shirts. That's pretty good money. Anywhere you go, that's $6,500 a day. So I'm Don Copeland, and I'm gonna get back to making some shirts and money.